adventures under the sun, under the stars. Wherever it may lead us, together we stand through the night and the day. With every step our bond grows stronger, come what may. Through the mountains and valleys, we find our way. Hand in hand we face the unknown, no one's afraid to say. We're one big family, with hearts full of fire. In every challenge we rise higher side by side. Oh yeah, we are the Bernardo fam, overland adventures. No matter where we go, our hearts will lead the way. Through the storm, through the rain, we'll always find a light. Together we'll conquer, with laughter and might. We laugh, we cry, we share our dreams and fears. In this wild adventure, we're learning to persevere. From the first smile to the last tear, our journey's just begun. We'll be here forever. From the dawn till the dusk, our stories will tell of the places we've been, the lessons we've learned so well. With every mile, we grow more bold, and in this world of wonder, we'll never grow old. We are the Bernardo fam, overland adventures. No matter where we go, our hearts will lead the way. Through the storm, through the rain, we'll always find a light. Together we'll conquer, with laughter and might. The Bernardo fam, overland adventures. No matter where we go, our hearts will lead the way. Through the storm, through the rain, we'll always find a light. Together we'll conquer, with laughter and might. We are the Bernardo fam, overland adventures. No matter where we go, our hearts will lead.
No? Hi.
Hi.
Belated happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Nag-aaya eh.
Pero may sa ano, sa Pinatubo.
Nag-aaya nga, sabi nung isang kaibigan namin, kuya gawa tayo ng team. Ikaw ako, Mr. Rina, sinunod tayo para dito sa Pinatubo. Ay, ngayon.
Okay. Okay, daddies. Dad, mommy, can you use the camera?
Sasali po ba kayo sa exchange gift? Isa ba? Hindi, nag-exchange.
Opo. Sana may ilaw po kayo para kita naman. Mama, bukas na ba kami pipicturan?
Ah, sige po, pwede po. Kasi, or kahit mamaya.
Ang mga punong abala.
Okay lang.
Wala nang boses.
Wala mo masyadong ginawa.
Busy.
Kayo, Dok. Kumusta naman kayo?
Okay naman. Hello
Happy
po!
birthday ulit,
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you! Thank you po, thank you,
Hindi ako
thank
nakaano
you.
ng-
Hindi masyadong pinagandaan. Grabe, ang galing, ang ganda.
Spend lang time.
Sige po.
Hello!
Nagsimula na yata kayo ah.
Libre po ang
Ha?
kwentuhan dito.
Nagsimula na pa yata kayo ah.
Chill lang.
Chill-chill
May
lang.
mojito dun, no?
Edit lang.
May mojito.
Mamaya po.
Pwede magdala ng sariling baso.
Ayun nga, sinasabi ko kanina. Magkano po refill ka? Kung Ayun, agad. Oo.
50 lang daw.
Oo, 50. Magkano po refill?
May bayad ba?
May... Totoo nga. Seryoso nga. Meron. Kaya-kaya.
Wala po, meron si Aren.
Tatabi kami sa'yo.
Malong nga.
Tatabi kami sa'yo. Hey, Aya. How are you? Do you want to go there with the tao? Hey, everyone. Are you enjoying?
It's watching a film. Yeah. It's watching a film.
Thank you so much.
Ano kasi natin?
Mga 2:30.
At 2:30 na. Dyan kayo.
Oh, magkakalayo tayo.
Tinawag kami ni Kuya Edgar doon. Magkakasabay kami sa convoy.
Oo.
6 a.m. 10 kami nakarating.
Saan si Vice Gov?
Yun, yung katabi ng sundalo.
Naka-red.
Naka-red na jacket.
Po Panginoon, pagpalain niyo po ang lahat ng parte ng mga programa sa gabing ito at nawa patuloy niyo po kaming ingatan hanggang kami ay matapos sa gabing ito. Salamat po Panginoon sa gabing ito. Ito pong aming dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Yes! Sana maswerte. Hey! Sige lang po.
Defender knife. Ito. Defender knife. Heart. Defender knife. Yes! Namali festival! Congratulations! Matanalo. Ang mapapanalunan is ARB Fire Repair Kit from ARB. Hahapat pala na.
That's it, baka. Yung isa andun sa gilid doon.
ko rin po dito sa gabi. Kasi pag pupunta po ako ng Cervantes, alam po nila konsyal ito, parating piyesta, umaga. Ngayon ko lang po naranasan na ganito pala kalamig dito sa Cervantes. Kaya magandang experience din po ito. And nagulat po ako, yung participants is 200 plus. So malaking tulong na i-promote po ang aming probinsya. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat and I hope you will enjoy the rest of the time here in Ilocos Sur. And I hope next year or the following years bumalik po kayo, and I am willing and happy and glad and honored to host you again here in Ilocos Sur.
Thank you, Vice Gov Ryan.
Actually, dapat kasama po ako sa camping. Alam po ni Boss Tim yan. Ang problema lang, sa sobrang excited ko po, ginagamit ko po yung rig ko hanggang nasira. Wish everyone an advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas! Thank you po!
Guys,
Thank
wag
you,
muna
Vice
kayo,
Go Brian.
aalis kasi meron pa kaming surprise. So,
Kakanta po kayo?
prepare pa. Ha?
Magpaganda sa kanta niya.
So, wag muna kayong aalis. So, meron pang dessert, pwede pa kayong kumain. Ine-prepare pa. And gusto ko pasalamatan, kaya lang nasan na, si Sir Alvin. Siya po yung mag-prepare.
Wow.
Surprise.
Dance number ni Sir
Dance
Alvin.
number daw, dance number. May ano yung break dance.
Break dance ako.
Okay, tapos yung mga bata, after nito,
Tulog
after
na.
yung surprise ni Sir Alvin, mag-bonfire tayo. And announcement to all the kids and yung mga isip bata, hanapin nyo po yung auntie kong nandyan. Ang pangalan niya si Auntie Edna. Which daw sabi ng mami ko. Kapatid yun ng mami ko eh. So, meron siyang marshmallow.
Wow!
Marami siyang dalang marshmallow. So, hanapin niyo lang siya.
Oh, be careful. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. Pwede.
Painit din.
Here. Aksa, here. Go. Go,
Ang lamig.
Go.
Face might burn.
Your face might burn.
Mommy, I think my face might burn.
Be careful.
Mommy, guys, you want some chips? I'll go there. Guys, I'm gonna make a salad.
first. Pull it. No. Asan na? Nawala na. Sak.
No more.
No more.
So much.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
The other one.
When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my body, nobody cared to me, could ever come along. You had me going crazy.
Good job! Okay na yun. Oh, your turn. Kunwari lang. Okay, Aya's turn. Good job, Ax. Okay! What? Ano na? What will you... Kahit ano po, isa? Ax, get one prize. Get one prize. Okay, get one only. Di ba you like this one, Ax? Oh. Yes, you like this one. Oh, screwdriver. Oh. What? Ah,
Okay.
You like that one? How about you, Aya? No, this one. It comes with it.
Baby, it comes
Yeah, thank you po. How about you, Aya? How about you? What do you want? You just get one. What? This one? Yeah, okay. Okay, here. Isa kayo, Daddy. One each. One each. Go on the green side. On the green. Green. Okay. One more, Aya.
Layo ka konti. Huwag pa itadaan. Shoot mo.
Yay! Di naman totoo.
Baka konti.
Back. Okay, go.
You can do it. That's so close.
Aya, hindi kaya. Okay.
You get two more.
That one now. What's this? Ah, it's light. Oh. What do you like? Ito yung mga gusto mo. Oh, kumpletuhin mo na, Ax. Ayan, oh, Ax, oh. Oh, yan. Oh, get one. Oh, what? How about you, Aya? What do you like? One?
What's this? Aya, high five.
Yay! How about you? Umiikot ah. Hindi namin, wala nang space.
Ay, wala.
Oo.
You get two.
Ax, what else?
Get two prizes. Can I go there, Mommy?
Ito yung maganda. Tactical knife.
Look. Can you give me that one? Oh yeah,
Ah,
Santa is in the chimney.
yeah, Santa. That's Santa.
There, there's
Yeah.
up there. Mommy,
Oh,
where?
there are elves also there. Oh,
Mommy,
Axe, axe,
where? Mommy, where?
wow.
A snowman.
A
A
snowman.
Christmas tree and there's presents.
Yeah. Daddy, nakita mo to awning room?
Hey, where?
Init.
Mama will get so far. Look,
Mali yung dinaanan mo na naman doon tayo eh.
Mama will get so far.
Come here, Axe. Look, come here. Look, Santa is moving. Look, look at Santa, Axe, Axe. Look. Hello, look. Look. Cute.
Ay, wala. Hindi pa yan. Pakita mo yung secret weapon.
Oh.
For the secret weapon, the number chill.
Thank you. 22. Can you see the Santa going up? There. Can you see? There. Look. Yeah, look at that. That's Santa. See? Wow, it's going down. Wow. Oh, oh. Santa is dancing. Wow.
I want to go back to Mama.
Place is...
Ang price is...
Wow.
Defender case.
Defender. Pocket.
Bibigyan ko kung...
May laman, may laman.
Amo box.
Baka may bala.
May bala.
Defender tactical pocket.
Defender tactical pocket.
Wow.
Uy, pocket knife,
Ano
defender.
to? Below MOA na bag and shirt. Okay.
Third place.
Third place is our number.
Rig
Ano
number...
hula niyo? Our number 1.
94.
Sino yun?
Number 1. Our number 35.
35! Sino si 35?
35!
Si Red Nose Reindeer.
Yay!
Ayun pala.
You know?
Claim your prize. Second place.
Ah, ano to? Nightmare?
Deck na
Deck.
toolbox.
Ganda.
Waterproof to.
Sana sa akin na lang.
Oo nga. Gusto ko rin yung box na yun eh. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng box eh.
Second prize. Deck. Toolbox. Perfect yan sa deck drawer.
Oo.
Waterproof, dustproof, rustproof. Ano yan? Bulletproof?
Bulletproof. Kulang na lang bulletproof.
Defender na tactical knife.
Tactical knife. Very useful
One
sa
pound
camping.
na tire inflator.
Tire inflator.
Wow.
Okay.
And then mga shirt.
Car number. Anong katingin nyo? Car number 15.
Wow! Yay! Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Bilhin ko na yung box.
Yan na. Yung mukhang defending champion na.
Tactical bag box. And
Ayan, bilhin ko yan 2,000.
tactical tool.
Aha. Tactical tool.
One flow na portable chainsaw.
Uy! Gusto ko yan.
Wow!
Gusto ko yan, chainsaw.
Wow! Pang
Sino
raw
sa tingin
camping.
yung ano?
22!
Ito, hula ko. Ayan, oh.
Defending champion!
Second time.
Second time in a row! 2 times! 22 nga! 2 times 22! O, diba?
2 times
Yes,
22.
defending champion yan!
10% ako dyan. Boss, bibinta mo?
Bro, pwede nang... It's up to you kung gusto mong
Walang
early
group
yes.
picture ng
Bahala
sasakyan.
ka.
Di ba nagganon tayo last
Most of
year?
the group,
Wala, tao yung hindi ka
pwede
Hindi
naman
ka
pack
kasha.
up ng 9, leave at 10. Kami yung last na rig na aalis by 10 o'clock. Yung gustong maiwan at mag-extend ng 10 araw, pwede daw.
Pwede
Yung
daw.
gustong ayaw pang umuwi, gusto hapon, pwede din. But of course, ingat lang sa drive,
Yes.
lalo na yung mountain road. Yung mga gustong pumuntang vegan, ang ite-take nyo, paglabas nyo dito, ganun
Left.
pa rin pa left. Pagdating dun sa intersection, you go left. Quirino, Skyline, maganda yung view and mas mabilis siya papuntang vegan. Yung mga Manila, take right, pabalik ng Besang Pass. Okay, so yun na yung
Wazeable,
announcement.
wazeable.
I would like to thank everybody
Sa mga
for
pupunta ng
joining
Sagada,
the Motodesto.
pwede rin. Yay! Woo! Thank you po!
Boys,
Thank
Del Esteban, Millennial Campers, and Bonnie's on the go. Maraming salamat and yung iba
Bernardo Fam, thank you.
Yes. Sir Kirk, thank you.
Alright, so sila Bonnie's Manila Film Fest, supportahan natin, kasama si Rika sa, anong palabas yun? Manila Film Fest yun eh. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng movie pero lalabas siya sa Manila Film Fest.
Thank you.
Okay, so ang palabas natin ngayon,
Wala, hindi nakita si Aya.
50 Shades of Grey, mga bata.
Wow.
Ganon?
Wait, where's the Macadamia?
Anong mas gusto mo, mascot o vlogger?
Mas gusto ko, mascot. Dahil ayoko edit.
Ang bida. Diba?
Cameraman. Kami ang
Cameraman ng bida. Cameraman ng bida. O, ayan.
tao sa likod ng camera.
Hindi ka na congressman Solis. Kinagagalak kong makilala si isang karangalan na
Time-lapse ba to, Doc?
Ingat bro.
Bye-bye,
Ingat,
the
ingat.
doctor.
See you soon.
Vlog lang pag may time.
tinitiis ko lang. Pwede
Kaya nga. Sige po, ingat. Ingat. Bye. See you soon po. See you soon. Opo. Bye guys. We're going. Maliligo pa kami doon pero mauna na kami sa ibig. Thank you.
Susunod lang ang kulit, ha?
Magyaya lang kayo.
Oo naman. Yes.
Magyaya lang kayo. Sir. Thank you sa inyong pakain na masarap. Sana next time kapitbahay ulit namin kayo. Thank you, ma'am. Dumi, sorry. Thank you. Bye-bye po. Yeah, thank you. Sana, bye-bye. Kami magpapaalam na. See you again soon.
Hanggang
Ingat.
sa muling pagtatagpo.
Yes.
Alam po, ingat.
Ingat. Thank you. Thank you po. Ingat din po. Ma'am Janice, thank you. Yes po. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Nag-enjoy kami. Nag-enjoy ang mga bata. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye.
On every road we all belong. The Bernardo fam loves the outdoors, the sky so wide. The earth beneath where dreams collide. Meeting new friends on paths unknown. Adventure calls, this life we own. Through rain and sun, through twists and bends, the journey's sweet when shared with friends. Every turn's a tale to tell, a tapestry where memories dwell. The Bernardo fam loves the outdoors, the sky so wide. The earth beneath where dreams collide. Meeting new friends on
Akipo. Swim. Swim.
adventure calls, this life we own. We are the Bernardo fam, Overland Adventure. See you next adventure.